Men, we are in the battle of our lives. Today's world is not like anything we've ever known. We all go through certain things. We all go through our own battle that we don't like to talk about. But one thing that we miss, we cannot isolate. If you want to do something significant with your life, but you are in a battle, in a trench, somewhere where you feel stuck, let me know. Send me a DM, send me a WhatsApp. Let's talk. I'm building a group for men who wants to make a difference in their lives, who's sick and tired of being sick and tired, and who doesn't want to be in the same place anymore. Whether it be mentally, physically, spiritually, wherever you are, let's have a chat. Join my group as we will share free information, free brotherhood where you can just offload. If you need to, you can send me a DM for a one-on-one. You are not alone in this battle. No matter what you are going through, I am here, and there's more brothers like me that wants to hear your story and encourage you, wants to build you up, not break you down. That's another problem for another day. Brothers, stop breaking each other down. For now, those of you fighting battles in silence, stop fighting in silence. There's people out there that wants to stand by you like a mighty warrior. Let's do this.